Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer FedEx mobile tracking notifications to new device. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To transfer FedEx mobile tracking notifications to a new device, start by ensuring both your old and new devices are fully charged. On your old device, open the FedEx mobile app. Sign in to your FedEx account if you haven't already. Navigate to the settings menu within the app. Look for the option labeled Tracking Notifications. Here, you will find a list of your active. Take note of the tracking numbers you wish to transfer. Now, on your new device, download the FedEx mobile app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app on your new device. Sign in to your FedEx account using the same credentials from your old device. If prompted, allow notifications for the app to ensure you receive updates. After signing in, navigate to the Settings menu again. Select the Tracking Notifications option once more. Manually enter the tracking numbers you noted from your old device. Once entered, ensure the notifications are enabled for each tracking number. You should now start receiving FedEx notifications on your new device. To confirm, check that your notifications are coming through as expected. If issues arise, double-check the notification settings on your new device. With these steps followed, you're all set to receive tracking updates seamlessly on your new device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.